In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your cart on Alibaba for 2025 in a seamless step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned Alibaba user or just getting started, this process is designed to make online shopping easy and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to Alibaba.com. This is your starting point for accessing a vast array of products from sellers all around the world. Once you've arrived at the homepage, the next thing you want to do is locate your shopping cart. You'll find this by looking up to the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be able to view any items you've previously added. If you're looking to add new items, which we are today, you'll want to utilize the search bar at the top of the page. This is your window to thousands of products. Simply click into the search bar and start typing the name or category of the item you're interested in. Once you've entered your search terms, hit enter or click on the search icon, and Alibaba will return a list of results for you to browse through. As you scroll through the results, carefully review each product's details to ensure it meets your needs and expectations in terms of quality, price, and shipping options. Once you've found the item you're interested in, locate and click on the Add to Cart button. This will add the item to your shopping cart, but before you finalize anything, you need to adjust the quantity. This is especially important if you're purchasing items in bulk or have a specific number in mind. Look for the quantity selector, often located near the Add to Cart button, and adjust the number accordingly. After setting the right quantity, confirm your choice by clicking on Add to Cart again. You'll then see a confirmation notification that the item has been added to your cart successfully. For peace of mind, it's a good idea to double check that the item is indeed in your cart. Click back on the shopping cart icon to review your selections. Here, you can ensure that all items you intended to add have been included, and you can make any final adjustments if needed. Remember, Alibaba is a global marketplace, so always consider reaching out to the seller if you have specific questions about the items before completing your purchase. Sellers often provide additional details and verify important aspects of your order, such as shipping timelines and potential discounts for bulk purchases. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a smooth and successful shopping experience on Alibaba. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.